Step by step, transfer files from Dropbox to OneDrive. Step 1. Add cloud accounts. Launch Air Explorer and navigate to the Accounts tab. Here, you can add your Dropbox and OneDrive accounts. Once added, both services will appear in the File Manager. Step 2. Navigate to Dropbox files. In the dual-pane interface, select Dropbox on one side. Browse through your folders and choose the files you want to transfer. Step 3. Select Destination in OneDrive. On the opposite pane, select OneDrive. You can choose an existing folder or create a new one to receive the incoming files. Step 4. Transfer files. Drag and drop the selected files from Dropbox to OneDrive. Air Explorer will handle the transfer directly between cloud servers, saving time and bandwidth. Want to go beyond a one-time transfer? Air Explorer offers advanced features. Sync folders, keep Dropbox and OneDrive folders aligned automatically. Schedule transfers, set up recurring backups or syncs. Encrypt uploads, add a layer of security for confidential files. These features are especially useful for professionals managing sensitive data or large volumes of content.